This is a 2006 Cadillac STS. Its top features include a navigation system, a remote start feature, a heated steering wheel, a Bose stereo system, alloy wheels, and the cooled seats create a 360-degree air-conditioned environment, keeping everyone comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, dual airbags, a rear window defroster, fog lamps, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.